In this video, Kiki Review will review a smartphone from the ASUS brand called ASUS ROG Phone 7. This ASUS ROG Phone 7 have 6.78-inch display, with 2448 by 1080 pixels, and Samsung AMO LED screen technology. Gaming power with ASUS ROG Phone 7, the latest 3.2 GHz fast frequency, with Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, 12 GB of RAM, 256 GB ROM or internal storage, and using Android 13 as operating system. The ASUS ROG Phone 7 have triple camera, 150 megapixels camera, 13 megapixels second rear camera and 5 megapixels third rear camera, also 32 megapixels front camera. The ASUS ROG Phone 7 have 6000 mAh dual-cell battery, with 65-watt quick charge capabilities technology. The upgraded Game Cool 7 technology features this ASUS ROG Phone 7, vapor chamber and graphite sheets among other premium features to give you more stable gaming frame rates. For the price and other variants of this ASUS ROG Phone 7 smartphone, Kiki Review has provided a link in the description, and you can choose other variants of this ASUS ROG Phone 7 smartphone. Kiki Review thank you for watching this ASUS ROG Phone 7 video, and see you soon.